In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Gotprint promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, you have to go to your web browser and search for Gotprint promo code. Right here, you should be able to find this website, which is couponfollow.com, and I recommend this one. And for example, right here, as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes and deals. And for example, if you want to get this one with 10% off your next order, all you have to do is select show coupon code right here. And this is our discount code. So in order to get that discount, use this promo code on your next purchase in order to get this 10% off your next order. Also, you can go to simplycodes.com right here. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, we have this one right here with 10% of our next order. So you can simply copy this promo code right here, NEW24, and use this on your next purchase in order to get that discount. Or you can also select use code in order to copy this code and use it on your next purchase. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.